In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account on Snapchat. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, open Snapchat and then click on this sign up option. Click on continue. Click on allow. Now enter your full name. After that, click on sign up and accept. Now enter your date of birth and then click on continue. From here, you can change your username. So in order to change your username, you can click on this option which says change my username. And once you have changed the username, click on continue. Now create a strong password and then click on continue. Now enter your email address, or you can also sign up with your phone number. I'll select phone number. So enter your phone number here. Once you have entered your phone number, click on continue. Now a verification code will be sent to your given phone number. And once you have received the code, click on continue. And that's it. Your Snapchat account has been made. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll put the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 50 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.